Well, abot na sad na hong-hong. I don't have anything yet, but as of now, what I will do is, ang atong buhaton anak karon is, I have already ordered the suspension of fuel allocation sa tanan government vehicles except emergency vehicles, ambulances, fire trucks, including garbage trucks, police cars, tanan that has to do in emergency, akong nanggi suspend. No, of course, pareha sa kanang exemption sa biometrics, they will always have to write us a letter of explanation to defend no kung ngano kinanglan hatagan gyud sila og fuel allocation.
Kano sa kutob ni Mayor or doon na tay time frame nga ihatag bahin ani?
Adi, I will sign it already today. The suspension of the fuel allocation or revocation, whatever you wanna call it. Dili, depende na nasa office. So kung ang office mo suwat nako og suwat nga kaning sakyanan na nga van importante kay ni kay mo ni tigkuha sa mga whatever no, then once we give the exemption, balik ang iyang fuel allocation, no?
Mo kuan sa further investigation.
Okay. You're talking of two things. One is the revocation, which I just mentioned, which is effective immediately, na it will mubalik lang kung naa siya, if I approve their allocation, but based on ang ilahang reasoning. I will not just give the exemption kung walay rason. Ang imo ang ikaduha is the investigation. Karon pa man ko nahibaw ana, I will order already the investigation of kaning ilang gi allege nga na ay pangawat sa gasolina din na.